Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Erin will be showing you how to create these super cute Disney princess-inspired nail designs.
Hey guys, it's Erin. I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all of my nails. This first nail is going to be inspired by Cinderella, so I'm starting off with a skin tone color as my base. Then with a light blue nail polish, I'm painting a half moon shape about halfway down my nail, and filling in the rest with the nail polish brush. Once that's dry, I'm doing a white stripe straight down the middle of my nail, and then using black acrylic paint to add a black choker towards the top of my nail. Finally, apply a top coat. Next up is my personal favorite, Belle, so I'm starting off with that same nude base. Then I'm taking a yellow nail polish and creating a V shape towards the top of my nail, and filling in the rest with a brush. Once that yellow is dry, I'm going in with this golden yellow color, and I'm going to be adding some details. So I'm first outlining that V shape, and then doing another one underneath it that's a little bit wider. Then a stripe straight down the center of my nail. And here I'm adding details where the fabric would be gathering on her dress. Then I'm putting 3 dots in the center of my nail. These are the little beads that are in the center of her dress. And I'm going back in and adding smaller dots on top of those with the lighter yellow. And apply a top coat. This next nail is inspired by Aurora, so again starting with my nude base. Then I'm taking a medium pink and just kind of messily painting about 2/3 of the way up my nail. This doesn't have to be perfect since we're covering it anyway. Next, take a white nail polish and paint a V shape for the collar of her dress. Then I'm taking a dark pink and painting 3 stripes. The first one's going to go straight down the center of my nail. Then the next one's going to come from one side diagonally and the other side diagonally. And finish with a top coat. Next up is Snow White, so after my base, I'm going to be painting that same kind of half moon shape I did with Cinderella. And just filling in the rest of that using the medium blue. Once that's dry, I'm taking yellow and going straight down the center of my nail. And then just using the brush straight out of the bottle, I'm painting 2 curved shapes for the bottom part of her dress. Now I'm taking a red nail polish and adding a bow to the skin tone part of my nail just because I feel like the bow is such an iconic part of Snow White's outfit. To do the bow, just start with a red dot in the center of your nail and then use a small brush to paint 2 rounded triangle shapes, one on each side of the dot. And of course, apply a top coat. And the last nail is for Ariel, so again I'm starting off with my skin tone base and then using a medium purple to paint the clamshells. I found the easiest way to do this was to put 3 dots in a row and then add triangle shapes coming in towards the center from that. Now I'm taking a medium green and painting a triangle chevron tip on the bottom of my nail. And going back in and outlining that thickly with a lighter green. Now I'm taking a dark purple and outlining the clamshells. Finish with the top coat, and there you have your Disney Princess Mani. We really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more Cute Polish videos, you can click these boxes here and click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.